Twitch Monster Cat.
Welcome back. Sorry about that. I leaned on the computer to try and read chat and managed to turn off the PC in the process. Moving on. I'm currently attempting to reload the chat so we can talk to you guys. I'm really bright right now. Okay, we're back in the chat now. And where am I going to cross the chat?
Why in the fuck? For fuck's sakes. Might be down 2 screws on this because it's not one to fit. Being an asshole.
So am I going to twitch.tv/monstercast?
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh wait, I got it all to line up. We're Gucci. Somehow I pulled this off. I think, did I? I kinda did.
What did you have the volume set to for the music?
That's fine.
15?
Yeah.
20?
No, 15. Okay, that's tight. Let me back that off. We turn.
Monstercat volume at about half?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to jump back on over to these and here we go.
Alright. So, all in all, I still have 6 fans.
There we go. Alrighty.
Exhaust, exhaust, intake, intake, intake. Perfect. What up, dudes?
How's it going? Webster, Boundary.
And dude, do me a favor. Shit, you won't be able to get into my Twitch alerts on there. Dudes, I don't know if anybody's following or donating or anything, just so everybody knows, because it's not on my computer right now. I'm building it. So, if I missed that shit, I'm really sorry, guys. Man, I still gotta run my freaking SATA cables. What's up?
What's up? How's it going?
It's going, man.
Got that window in and machinima, turbo sausage. Oh boy.
Alright. Let's get some of our auxiliary shit plugged in.
you probably did.
It's alright. She's good, dude. Don't even worry about it. Here we go. So there's one fan hooked up. So just try to get the rest of these all hooked in.
Bobo got his power rated on that and stuff?
No, not yet. I usually try to do the fans first.
Right.
Yeah, it just makes shit a lot easier.
Okie doke.
Alright, let's see what else do we got left here. A couple fans. GPU power. This needs plugged in, that's for sure.
Some faces right correct.
Alright, I gotta figure out where to plug these other two fans in. John Cena! Yeah, I got like 1, 2, yeah, I have like 2 fan things left open. This one can plug into via Molex.
Computers come with those these days?
Yeah, I have extension wire that has Molexes right there in case I needed it for my fans. Alright, let's get my shit figured out here.
Do you want help?
Huh?
Do you want some help?
Don't matter. You can help if you want.
I know you're building your PC, so I can know.
You can do me a favor and hand me the light out of the drawer there. Should be in either that one or that one. Don't turn the computer off again. Down. Down. Check the center. Oh wait. Did I sit it back here? No. Where the fuck did I put my light? It's not in there either.
I thought with my little eyes, I can yeah.
Yeah, right? I don't know where the fuck my light went. Oh well. Yeah, I gotta figure out what these are. These fucking things, man. Your phone got a flashlight?
Not this one, unfortunately.
Shit.
No, it's the only downside of a $40 phone.
Yeah, you can say that again. Hold up, I see it.
Oh, hello. Genius.
Glad that. Okay, so. It's not a good there, so up here.
Alright, you're back. Supra. You plan on ever upgrading your parts for better gaming quality?
I have pretty damn good gaming quality as it is, brother.
About all that could be upgraded is maybe the RAM just for the upgraded speed, but it doesn't give that much of a difference in gaming.
Exactly.
Unless you were to add in an additional graphics card. Hi. Need a light holder?
I got it. It's in. Hold the light. I was just getting that shit done, so I know it's done. That'll go in Mole X. This will go in Mole X. I have a 980 Ti Kingpin Edition. How does that sound? Oh my god, dude, that would be fucking ridiculous, dude. Sorry, I'm like just really focused on trying to hook up the fans and get this done because it's late.
That would be incredible.
I had a very long day today, as to my friend here. He drove quite a distance to come and visit. I need a light up here.
Interesting.
Here, I got that quick.
Sorry.
It's all good. I just have to turn this 4-pin into a 3-pin for a moment because it works that way.
Man, they sure don't give you much room.
Hold this. This is mid towers, man. I like mid towers. It's a challenging build then.
True.
I'm just gonna tuck this up here out of the road for now. Let me pull this up. Ugh. Hold on. Let me shift this.
You know what, Supra? I might buy you a room. Good sound, damn. Hey, Sup. You need a fan on, bro. Talk
Yeah.
about expensive, man. How many graphics cards can you fit on one MOBA? That depends on the motherboard itself. This one, I believe, can hold 2 or 3.
4.
4. Okay. Stand corrected. Depends on how many PCIe slots you have. No idea what that means.
Feel light boy. Can you bring the light this way?
I was reading, I'm sorry.
all good,
Would I be better as a water boy?
man.
Should I go get you a glass of cold water?
I'm good. Got this shit. I'm almost done, man. Let's see what people are talking about here. I'll check for once. Oh, they rub your nipples for me. Yo, Rick's hilarious. Get out of here. Put that back.
What? What is he talking about? I would never do such a thing.
Come on, get out of here. I'm busy. Out. Thank you. Okay. For fuck's sakes.
Hey, watch out, you drive your phone.
Get out of my way. I'm starting to get mad because you ain't holding the light, you bastard. I should kick you in the fucking nuts.
First it's hold the light, then it's check the stream, then it's hold the light.
I'm gonna kick you in your fucking nuts.
Fine, I'll just leave the chat in, hold the light.
Oh, dude, you're fucking with my mic now. I hear it spazzing.
What?
Move. Out of the road. The mic was spazzing out. There, it's good now.
It still does that?
I fixed it. No. You bumped the connection. You knocked it loose.
I thought we fixed that problem by going to this one.
No, I have to buy a new XLR cable still. They're both fucked.
Oh.
It's all good, man. It's all good. You know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna run it right through here.
No, stop that. How did you fix this?
Dude, you're doing it wrong. What are you doing? You have to have headphones to hear it. It's fine. Don't touch it, it's fine. It's because we're talking. It's because we're talking.
Alright, I'm staying over here then.
Come off from my phone there.
I want to be able to read the chat to you. What's up, Lolidy? Lolidy. That'd be ruby nipples for me. Okay. Is that tower smaller not on stream while there's a midget in the room? Shrine's not dim. Something. Okay. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to focusing on PC build for motor.
Thank you. Back up, back up, back up. Dude, you're right next to my hard drives with a magnet. You fucking fry him out.
Let's not do that again.
Yeah, let's not do that, please. I can't afford new hard drives right now. Okay. Fuck it.
I don't know what they were thinking when they tied those together like that.
I did that.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, so it'd be out of the fucking way.
Oh. It doesn't block itself?
Yeah.
Oh. I guess that does make sense then.
Go in that second drawer and grab me a zip tie. Please and thank you. There's zip ties right in the front, dude. White zip ties. Look for them. They're in a bag. Turn around and actually look.
White bag.
There you go. I hear them. Yeah, I need one of these. Pull one of those out for me. Got it. So these can be tucked around there and then just gracefully wrapped. See, like, but I'm gonna bring this around here. Like this. You can see it. And then I can just wrap it in like that.
There we go.
And tuck this in the center. So I need another zippy tie.
It's warm in here.
I know, man, I have the fucking AC on too.
I told you this PC just puts off a lot of heat for some reason.
Not yours. I don't think so. It's been hot in here all day.
True. Takes it a while to cool back down now.
I'll tuck these in a minute. It's I think we're done routing cables, aren't we?
I believe so. We need SATA cables.
Yeah, no. I just need to situate this quick. Things like going here. Alrighty.
Alright, is it safe for me to get out from behind here?
Yeah.
Oh man, I was afraid I was gonna knock something over.
Oh god. The bulge. My shit's like popping a wheelie right now. Okay. Two of those. Then one of these.
Cable management. Though, that cable management, though, Lolidy is going bald. What? Already? I'm only 19. This is terrible.
Who said that, Rick Lord?
I'm not sure.
Yes, hon. What?
Oh, here I go. You're welcome. Do you need any lighting over there?
Ah, I think we got this one. I should have tucked that a little bit at that corner. Ugh. Not perfect. I'm not really too concerned about it being like the most clean fucking wiring job ever done on the face of like fucking Twitch or some shit. I could care less about that at this point. I got enough fans, it don't matter.
Yep.
Alright, so this one.
I may have to go hit up that water cooler momentarily.
Yeah. It's kind of hot in here, don't it?
Yeah, it does. Good, I got that cotton mouth.
Last one.
Alrighty. Okie doke.
There we go.
Got it?
Yep.
Locked and ready to rock. I'm gonna go ahead and check the chat really quick here.
Alright. That's it.
Lolidy's going bald. Cable management though. Cable management is by far the most frustrating thing about building. Oh yeah. Well, except for maybe case spotting. Okay, fair enough. Thanks for the follow, man. Shout out to Suzette7700, I believe. Apologies if I butchered your name.
Light in here, please. About to get ready to put the GPU in.
Oh, yep, light for a GPU, we're gonna need that. Am I being too loud?
Yeah, you're good.
Okay.
Don't worry, folks. You don't gotta be gentle. It'll take a beating.
Dude just dropped the screwdriver into his PC.
It's not magnetic, so it don't matter.
Dude, man, I just got so excited and then so sad
Why?
in the same motion. I saw that half-full jug of Gold Peak sweet tea, and I got so excited for a minute there, and I was like, oh wait. Oh.
Yeah, you don't want to take a fat swig of that.
No, that would be quickly regretted.
Now it's time to install her. Let's get some light on that.
Let's get some light on that. Oh, you showed him with the back plate.
No, they stole it from already.
Oh, okay. Let's get this light up in here.
I don't know. I think this looks a lot better than my old build.
Yeah, so far.
Pretty happy with it.
You're missing a fan, unfortunately, but
No, I still have
it
6
was
fans.
moved.
Just moved
Oh, hey,
over.
now yours looks like mine.
Yeah.
We have a ninja.
Hell yeah, out. Don't throw me no lip. Why are these not going back in?
You're doing it wrong, sir.
No, they literally won't go in. Fuck it. Your regular case screws. I have one over here in the drawer. Fuck it. Alright. What do you think?
Bam, done.
I think it's about as clean as she's gonna get.
That whole area there is totally clean. That's beautiful.
Yeah. It is, isn't it? Hi. Go in the computer.
Did she help you do an oil change yet?
Nah. Not yet.
Oh, that Doritos commercial, it looks so satisfying.
Hmm.
Apparently if I eat Doritos, I too will be able to beat Brock Lesnar and Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson in an arm wrestling contest simultaneously.
Bullshit.
Hey, that's just what the commercial told me, okay? Doritos nacho cheese will give me the power within.
When are you gonna learn that commercials never tell the fucking truth, bro?
Can't just roll with it. Can't just go with the joke.
Never. I love crashing your hopes and dreams, don't you know?
Yeah.
I'm just kidding.
What hopes and dreams?
Exactly.
I just want to be the guys in the Sonic commercial that sit around in cars drinking Slurpees.
Alright, back panel.
Back panel.
In the case.
Back panel. In the case. Back panel in the case.
Alright. Oh shit.
Oh jeez. Gee willikers, Batman.
I need you to hold it from this side so it don't slide off. Take that. Shit. Thought you were still holding it.
My bad. My bad.
Okay, I'll just tuck this right here. Tuck it over and like that. Helps. Case. Panel. Thank you.
Give yourself a little bit more room.
Alright. Watch out. Move the light. Hold those sides down. This side. Ready? Slide forward.
Done. Look at that. Teamwork, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah.
Now we're going to put this up here where it's not affecting anything actually on the side panel. That's too close to the processor. Let's not do that. Probably won't toast anything, but I don't want to find out. I believe your daughter's hallucinating.
Yeah, she's probably just singing, dude. She does that from time to time. This doesn't go in very far, does it? No.
I hope that's not what she said.
Alright. Give me the side.
Hey, Craig. Oh my gosh, alright. Hey, Craig, you're awesome. Oh, thanks, Captain Price. New parts, question mark, gold silver, question mark, next question mark, got a gold silver house. But, sir, I'm guessing that the tea bottle is your bathroom or something? No, it's a dip cup for spit and dip. Let's see here. Question mark, laughing face. May just go ahead and mail that to me, please. No, same parts. New tower. Yep. Okay, my last bill was on the labor. Yeah. Nice, I have a good custom water cooling sockets across it. Oh, that's awesome, that's awesome. I'm going to start buying those parts, aka and Supra picks for me. Okay, so I'm just going to start buying those parts, I guess. Would you like
Can you
some
help me?
with
I've been waiting on that.
that? I'm sorry, I was just speaking a chance here.
Hold this.
There you go.
Don't touch the glass. Screws. I'm sweating my balls off. So I'm sweating my balls off.
Is that turned on high?
Yeah, because I was trying to cool it down in here. I didn't turn it down.
No. I was just asking if it was on high.
Yeah.
I've been on medium before.
Yo, you got a power cord? I want to power her on.
Yep, right over here.
Just to make sure she's running right. Make sure.
Oh, my foot. You broke it.
Here we go. Holy shit.
Freaking lights out the wazoo, ladies and gentlemen.
No, don't move it. Just. Watch out. Dude, the front of that is bright as balls. Just shut off though.
Maybe it detected that there were no connections to it.
Maybe.
So it took off.
Hope it's not like overheating.
It almost seems like venting it lets you get more air push through.
Yeah. See if it starts like overheating or something.
No, it's nice and cool, man.
For now, just let it run. But yeah, it looks ridiculous. It's bright. It's actually really bright, a lot brighter than I thought it would be.
Wow. Yeah, that's glowing, isn't it?
Yeah, it looks pretty nice.
I like it, dude.
Oh yeah. Well, guys, that would be the rebuild, and that'll be about it for the rebuild. So I'm gonna shut down and get her hooked back up and run some benchmarks and check my temps. So y'all have fun and thanks for hanging out. We'll see you guys all real soon.